Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Google Slides. So I'm going to show you the from step. I will teach you step by step how you can insert the images, videos, how you can animate the object. So guys, let's start with the video. So here I'm in Google Slide. So I'm going to show you on start. So first open your Google Drive and log in with your email ID. And here go to the new and here go to the Google Slide. So go to the blank, or you can take templates, or you also get templates in blank presentation. Click on it, so then blank presentation will be open. So this will be your blank presentation, and here you can also take the present themes. Okay, so I just take this one. Okay, so these themes will be applied to this you know template. So here this is my first slide. I can add slides from here. Okay, I can add slides from here, or also I can copy this or make it duplicate slide. Okay, if I want to make any duplicate slide, I just have to right click. I can make this duplicate slide or can new slides. So here you can see I got three slides, four slides. Okay, so first, if you want to insert any text, then just click on this and you can add the text like netcast web text zone. Okay, you can also edit it. Go to the three dot option and you can make it center by clicking on center. You can change the color from here, font color. You can also make it bold. There's an animation also. You can insert link. If you want to insert the link on text, just select the text, go to the link, and here you can insert the any website link or any Google Drive link. Okay, so anybody will click, it will be take it on YouTube. Okay, so you can also add subtitles. Subscribe my channel, and same way you can edit it. Okay, you can also change the font, make it bold, underline, whatever, or you can make it animation also. If I select this slide, if I click on it and click on animation, then this animation will come, and here this is animation, fade in and whatever. So I just click on fly in front, so play. So you can see this particular text will be animated. Okay, you have to click on it. So here I have select on click, so the animation will be play on click. Okay, you can also change on click or after preview or with preview. Okay, so you can also insert images and videos. Go to the insert, and here you can insert images from, you can upload from computer, you can also insert from Google Drive. If you insert it from Google Drive, then you have to first insert images in Google Drive, then you have to come to the slides and go to the insert images and come to the Google Drive, and after you will see all your Google Drive images here, recent images or my images, whatever. So here you can see I can add this image. Just click on insert, this image will be inserted. You can resize it when you click on it. So here you can see there is the option will become, you can replace, you can format, you can animate image, you can also. Okay, so now there is another option like edit, cut, paste, duplicate, insert. In offset you can also insert the videos, audios. Okay, you can insert your audio videos from YouTube. You have to search videos from here. Okay, so video will become, then select the video and insert. You can also insert the videos from Google Drive. First we have to insert videos in Google Drive, then you come to the slide and you have to select the videos from here, and it will be come here. So yeah, it is insert now. You can reset videos by holding the any corner. You can move your videos or images anywhere you want. Okay, Okay, you can also make it automatic play. Here when you click on any objects, there's the option will become on your right side and you can make it some option. Okay, so here you can make it slideshow. Okay, when you click on it, your slideshow will be open and you will see your preview. Okay, and after that you can download this presentation as a PDF, PowerPoint as a document, as a PDF, as a plain text, or JPG, PNG, or any other. This is the current slide. Okay, so you can download this as a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, okay, so you can also, you know, when you click on any slide, go to the edit. Okay, go to the file, and here, okay, vision, make, download image. Okay, so there is another option you can use, so I will show you in this video channel, my channel. So for, for now this is for average or normal presentation of Google slide. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for